Hello everyone and welcome to a quick YouTube tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change language on YouTube. This is actually quite simple. First I open YouTube and see the page is currently running in English. For this tutorial I will switch to German, but even if you want to set YouTube to English or another language, for example, that's no problem. Just follow the positions and the icons to get there. To change the YouTube language I click on my profile picture at the top right and find the menu item language here. If I click on it, I can select a different language, for example German. YouTube now reloads once and then runs in the new language. Incidentally, the whole thing works not only when we are logged in, but also as an anonymous user on YouTube. I don't have a profile picture at the top, but I can click on the three dots and find the language here too. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.